Check out our new custom value picker inside of funnels and websites. This feature simplifies the process of incorporating custom values into funnels, allowing businesses to easily select and insert predefined values without the need for manual copying and pasting. Let's talk about those benefits. First, this is going to make your workflows much more efficient. You're going to save time and effort by seamlessly accessing and inserting custom values directly. It's also going to improve accuracy and consistency, ensuring that accurate integration of all of those custom values into your funnels and websites. It's also going to give you streamlined testing and optimization, facilitating testing and optimization efforts by quickly selecting and incorporating custom values. Let's talk about those practical uses. Now, a small business can utilize the custom value picker to integrate personalized client information into their sales funnels. By effortlessly selecting and inserting custom values, such as client names and appointment details, this business can enhance client engagement and streamline lead nurturing, leading to an increased conversion rate and revenue growth. Let me show you exactly where to find this new feature. You can go into Sites on the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to choose either funnels or websites. Now, to do that, again, Sites, choose funnels or websites, and then once you're there, click the new funnel or existing one. Now, in this, we're using funnels, so let me go ahead and keep going forward. All right, so first, we're inside of that funnel. And you're going to go ahead in that funnel, or if you're in the website builder, it's really going to be similar, but within the website builder, go ahead and click that edit button. Now click the plus button and select your row, whatever you need to put in first before you go ahead and select that element. Once you've got all of that set up, we're going to go ahead and select our text element. So go ahead and click on the plus button and click on Elements. Now you're going to select one of the 3 text options that we have available: headline, subheadline, or paragraph. Now what's great is you're going to see this new little custom value icon that is going to be available in your editing pop-up. So go ahead and highlight the word that you would like to utilize or where you'd like to put that custom value and select the custom value icon. Now from there, you're going to go ahead in the dropdown, you're going to choose the custom value that you'd like to use. Now, just to remember, adding custom values by typing is going to look like this. You're going to have these unique brackets, and that's what you're going to be able to see. Once you've added those custom values, this is what it's going to look like. And now that appointment start time and date is going to show up because that is what the appointment start time value brings forward. I absolutely love this new feature. You're going to experience an enhanced workflow efficiency and accuracy within funnel creation in the custom value picker option within our CRM. This is going to empower your business to seamlessly integrate custom values and optimize campaign performance with ease. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.